climate. So that factors are called climate or the factors of climate. First one factor is latitude. Second one, land water relationship. Second one, land and water relationship. And third one, relief or altitude. Fourth one, upper air circulation. Fourth one is upper air circulation. These are called factors of climate. Factors of climate. Once again I repeat. Factors of climate meaning is those factors influence the climate. Those elements are influence the climate. That is called factors of climate. These are four. First one is the latitude. Second one is land-water relationship. Third one is the relief, altitude. Fourth one is upper air circulation. These findings one by one we have to discuss. Okay. Now come to this. First one is latitude. First one is latitude. How this latitude influence climate? Now see, this is globe. Okay. In this globe, this is 0 degree latitude, and this is 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degree Tropic of Capricorn, and this is 66.5 degree Arctic and Antarctic circles, and North Pole, South Pole. Clear? So this is globe. In this globe, these horizontal lines are called latitudes. The horizontal lines on the globe is called latitude. These are imaginary lines. This is called latitude. Okay. These horizontal lines. Once again, see here. This is the globe. These horizontal lines are called latitude. Okay. This is 0 degree. The 0 degree is called equator. And if you go from equator to North Pole, this is south. This is the polar. Because polar points are very stable and standard stability points. So these points, if you come to 0 degree to South Pole or 0 degree to North Pole, then latitude's value will increase. Latitude's value will increase. For example, this is 0 degree, it is 23.5, 66.5, and this is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree north, 90 degree south. If you see northern hemisphere also, this is 0 degree, 23.5 degree, and 66, 90. If you observe here, the value of latitude is increasing. Value of latitude is increasing. So this is called higher latitudes. These are called higher latitudes. The 0 degree is called lower latitude. 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 5 degree, 10. So these are called lower latitudes. If you go North Pole or South Pole, the degree of the value of latitude will increase. So these are called higher latitude. Higher latitude. Now, what is changes in climate? I will discuss. From 0 degree to, if you go North Pole or if you move to South Pole, then temperature gradually decrease. Temperature gradually decrease. Do you also know why the temperature gradually decrease? The sun rays always vertical. Sun rays always vertical fall on Earth's surface between 23.5 degree Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer. Between these only, that sun rays always fall vertical. Okay, beyond this, sun rays never fall vertical on Northern Hemisphere or in the Southern Hemisphere. So this between Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, between this area, sun rays fall vertically. So here temperature is more. Temperature is more. So this area is called tropical area. It is called tropical area. Okay. Capricorn to Cancer. This area is called tropical area. This is a hot area. And this is very hot area. If you move 0 degree to 90 degree North Pole or 90 degree South Pole, then what will happen? The slant of sun rays will increase. The sun rays here slant. Contextual slant. So this degree will increase. So when the slant will increase, then temperature also decrease. So in North Pole and South Pole, the temperature always record below 0 degree. Here always below 0 degree. Okay. So here snowfall is frequently occur in the North Pole and the South Pole. Do you understand now, children? Please observe from the equator to North Pole and South Pole. If you move, then temperature automatically decrease. So temperature is more in lower latitudes and temperature is decreased or less in higher latitude. That is one reason. And second reason is, and second point is here, rainfall. Rainfall also decrease. Rainfall also decrease, falling of the latitude. At 0 degree equator, always rains here. If you move North Pole and South Pole, when the temperature decrease, falling of the temperature, rainfall also decrease. So in North Pole and South Pole, snowfall is there. Snowfall is there. Okay. So 0 the lower latitude to higher latitude, when we move, then temperature will decrease. Okay, rainfall also decrease. Okay, now so this is the latitude. Next one. Now this is Earth. Earth always rotates itself from west to east with standard speed 1610 kilometers per hour. It is rotating. So when it is rotating, when this Earth is rotating, at the same time Earth revolves around the sun. This is the sun. This is sun. Earth revolves around the sun. This is North Pole, South Pole, North Pole, South Pole. If you observe, when this Earth is revolved around the sun, in this revolution, 6 months, this southern hemisphere come face towards the sun. After 6 months, this northern hemisphere come face towards the sun. So when this northern hemisphere come face towards sun, here insolation is more. The insolation, what is insolation? Insolation meaning is Earth receiving heat from sun, that is called insolation. Earth receiving heat from sun, that is called insolation. This insolation is more in northern hemisphere. When this northern hemisphere come face towards the sun, after 6 months, the southern hemisphere come face towards the sun. Then insolation is more in southern hemisphere. When this insolation is more, then here is a hot climate is recorded in southern hemisphere. So it is called summer in southern hemisphere, winter in northern hemisphere. Now after 6 months, the season will reverse. This northern hemisphere come face towards sun. Now here this northern hemisphere receive more sun heat. So here insolation is more. It is called summer. Now southern hemisphere is winter. So children, if you observe due to revolution, the southern hemisphere receives 6 months hot more than southern hemisphere, and southern hemisphere receives summer and receive more heat than northern hemisphere. So this hot climate also change following the revolution. So this altitude also one of the factor. Now come to another factor. The factor of influence is land and water relationship. Land and water relationship. Now children, the land and water relationship. Okay. Then this is land, hills, and this is ocean or water body, river, oceans, lakes. These are called water bodies, and this is called hill. Now sun rise. So sun heat fall on the earth, fall on the ocean or water body. At same portion of sun rays, how much portion of sun rays fall on the earth? At same portion of sun rays fall on ocean, water body. Now what will happen? Now discuss. This land receive heat quickly from sun. What is quickly from sun? Land quickly heat up and quickly cool down. Land quickly heat up due to sun rays in daytime and quickly heat up. But water not like that. Water slowly heat up and slowly cool down because water has the capacity to hold the temperature. The water has capacity to hold temperature, and the water absorb temperature very slowly, and the water lost its temperature very slowly. So slowly heat up and slowly cool down. When we compare with land and water, land quickly heat up, quickly cool down, and the water slowly heat up and slowly cool down. Because of this variation, pressure, air pressure will form. Because of variation, the air pressure, high pressure and low pressure will form. How it will form? Now we discuss. Now assume here 100 grams air here. Here also 100 grams air here. This is the assumption. Just imagine. 100 grams air here are land and water. And due to sun rays, this earth quickly heat up. The earth quickly heat up. When this earth quickly heat up, answer the atmosphere there. Atmosphere meaning is here air. Air heat up quickly. When this air heat up quickly, the air molecules velocity will increase. When this air receive heat quickly, the air molecules receive energy. When it's that energy, then it freely move itself. The air molecules freely move itself. So the heat air lost its weight. Heat air lost its weight because the air expand when it receives heat. The air expand, velocity will increase. So air lost its heat. When this air lost its weight, that air goes up. Okay, that air goes up. When this air goes up, then what will happen? For example, 50 grams air heat up and goes up. Now 100 minus 50, then how many grams here? Only 50 grams will remain. Now here 50 grams only remain. Okay, answer, because 50 grams went up and went up. When this went up, here remained only 50 grams on the surface. Now if you see here on ocean, 100 grams air here, because this ocean part is slowly heat up, slowly receive heat. So this earth that time is cool, it is slowly heat up. So this air is not heat up. Here 100 grams air here. This 100 grams is more than 50 grams. So this 100 gram air is called high pressure. This 100 gram air is called high pressure. Why it is called high pressure? The air make pressure on the surface. Here 100 grams air there. This air is more than 50. So this air make more pressure than 50 grams air. So this 100 grams air is called high pressure. Here 50 grams air here left. So this remain here. So this 50 grams air, when we compare with this 100 gram, it is low air. That means less air. This less air means less pressure when we compare it to this 100 grams. So it is called less air make low pressure. It is called low pressure area. This 50 grams. Then here what happened? The variation came between low pressure and high pressure. So winds always blows from high pressure to low pressure to occupy low pressure area. Winds always blows from high pressure to low pressure to occupy low pressure area. So when this air blows from high pressure to low pressure, horizontally movement of air, the horizontal movement of air on the earth surface is called wind. It's called wind. The horizontal movement of air on earth surface is called wind. So winds blows always from high pressure to low pressure. Where this winds blows, these winds are cool winds. These winds are cool winds because these winds, the winds contain more humidity, moisture, vapor. So these winds are called cool winds. When this cool winds blows, then the surrounding area be cool. The surrounding area is cool. So the land and the water relationship was one of the causes to decide the climate. So those areas located near the seashore, those areas located near the seashore like Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Chennai. So those areas located near the seashore, these areas not record more temperature in summer, not record less temperature in winter. So here is not more hot in summer, not a more cold like chill in winter. Here moderate climate is recorded. Moderate climate is recorded. So moderate climate is recorded. Moderate climate is recorded, or moderate climate is located in seashore areas. In seashore areas. For example, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, for example, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Mumbai. So these areas, Goa, these areas are moderate climate areas. Okay, children. So land and water also one of the influence factor to decide climate. And some areas those are far from seashore, that areas record more temperature in summer, the temperature fall in night time, temperature suddenly fall in the winter season. So the variation between high and low temperature, and the variation between maximum temperature and minimum temperature is more in those areas are located far from seashore. For example, take Delhi. In Delhi, the highest temperature more than 40 degrees recorded in summer, and in the winter less than 20 degree temperature will record in winter. So variation is more summer temperature and winter temperature. So that is intensive more maximum and minimum in landlocked areas like Delhi, Jaipur, Bhopal. When we compare with Bhopal with Visakhapatnam, when we compare with Delhi with Chennai, so then we can understand moderate climate and interior climate, Delhi climate and Visakhapatnam, Mumbai climate. Okay, so that is described land and water relationship. Land and water relationship is one of the influence factor for climate. And the third one, relief. Third one climate is relief. Now this relief also one of the factor. Now if you observe, this is the earth surface. This is earth surface. Now up to from the earth surface up to some kilometer side. How many? Approximately 13 kilometer side. We call it troposphere. This is called troposphere. So in this troposphere, if you go height in troposphere from earth surface, if you go up or move to space, then every 1000 meters height, 6.4 degrees Celsius temperature will decrease. If you move from earth surface to space, every 1000 meters height, 6.4 degree temperature decrease in troposphere. Every 1000 meters height, if you move from earth surface to space towards space in troposphere, every 1000 meters height, 6.4 degree Celsius temperature will decrease. This is normal lapse of atmosphere. Normal lapse of atmosphere. Due to this normal lapse in the hill stations or in hilly areas, in mountain areas, if you go up from bottom to up, then every 1000 meters height, 6.4 degree Celsius temperature will decrease. So hill top areas will be cool when we compare with this bottom areas. These top areas are cooler than bottom areas. Okay, what is the reason? The reason is if you go up, the then temperature will decrease. If you go height in space from the earth, then temperature will decrease only in troposphere. That you remember. Only in troposphere only it will happen. So this is the reason. So many hill stations are will be cool in summer. For example, Nainital, Simla, Dehradun, Kodaikanal, Ooty, Arsali Hills, Araku. So these are examples for hill stations. So many hill stations will be cool in summer. The reason is the altitude will increase, height will increase, the temperature will decrease. So there is an inverse relationship between height and temperature. And third one is upper air circulation. Upper air circulation. Now, upper air circulation now we discuss. Now listen. Now this is earth. On this earth, this is equator. This sun rays always vertical at the equator. Okay, this equator sun rays always vertical. So due to sun rays, here the air heat up and goes to space and form clouds. And this air goes up. Here form low pressure. This is called equatorial low pressure. Equatorial low pressure. So equatorial low pressure. At the same time, this is subtropical high pressure. Subtropical high pressure. Particular degree is called subtropical high pressure. Okay. This is a high pressure belt. This is high pressure belt, and this is low pressure belt. This is called high pressure belt. So winds always blows from high pressure to low pressure. Winds always blows from high pressure to low pressure. So these winds are called northeast trade winds. These winds are called northeast trade winds. Okay, these winds are blowing from high pressure to low pressure. So these winds are called southeast trade winds. Southeast trade winds. So what is trade? Trade is the German word. Trade word originated from German word track. German word track. Meaning is way. Going way. So the winds always blows in a particular part. In the northern hemisphere, that's called northeast trade winds. In southern hemisphere, it's called southeast trade winds. So when these winds are blowing, in these areas the rainfall will occur, and that areas will be cool in the rainy season. Okay, these trade winds also cause to change the temperature, because the trade winds carries temperature from one place to another place on Earth's surface. So these trade winds are called prevailing winds. The northeast trade wind and southeast trade wind is both also called prevailing winds, because enter the year these winds blows continuously. Enter the year these winds blows continuously. So these winds, northeast trade winds, southeast trade winds are called prevailing winds. Next, upper air circulation. This is earth. This is the earth. From this earth surface, 12,000 meters height. How much meters? 12,000 meters height at 25 degree northern latitude. 12,000 meters height. Here, one air is blowing from east. So it is called eastern wind. This eastern wind blows the speed of at high speed. What is speed? 110 kilometers. 110 kilometers per hour in summertime and 184 kilometers per hour in winter time. So this winds blows with high speed on the earth from earth surface. How much height? 12,000 meters height. From earth surface 12,000 meters height at 25 knot latitude. The winds blows from east. It is called easter jet winds. These are called jet winds. So these jet winds blows very high speedly. These winds found in time of Second World War time. So this winds called jet stream. It's called jet stream. It's called jet stream. Though the jet stream, when at high speed it blows, this jet stream keeps surrounding is cool. This jet stream keeps surrounding is cool. So this jet stream also one of the factor to influence climate and the rain season will start. So these factors: latitude, land and water relationship, relief, upper air circulation. These four also cause and four also factors, important factors to influence climate. So this is the answer, the facts of climate, and this is a very important answer in our textbook. Okay, thank you.